like a Hellcat.
Hi friends, welcome to Wildlife with Rockron, and I am Jay Surya alias Rockron. In this video, we are going to see about Asiatic lions. Before going to the topic, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay, let's get into the video. The Asiatic lion is one of the 5 pantherine cats inhabiting India, along with the Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. It is also known as the Indian lion and the Persian lion. On the IUCN Red List, it is listed under its former scientific name Panthera leopersica as endangered because of its small population size and area of occupancy. The Asiatic lion's fur ranges in color from ruddy tawny, heavily speckled with black, to sandy or buffish gray, sometimes with a silvery sheen in certain lights. Males have only moderate mane growth at the top of the head so that their ears are always visible. The mane is scanty on the cheeks and throat where it is only 10 centimeters long. About half of Asiatic lion's skull from the Gir forest have divided inforbital foramina, whereas African lions have only one foramen on either side. The sagittal crest is more strongly developed and the postorbital area is shorter than in African lion. Skull length in adult males ranges from 330 to 340 mm and in females from 292 to 302 mm. It differs from the African lion by a larger tail tuft and less inflated auditory bullae. The most striking morphological character of the Asiatic lion is a longitudinal fold of skin running along its belly. Shoulder height of males is 107 to 120 centimeters and of female is 80 to 107 centimeters. Head and body measurements of two lions in Gir forest were 1.98 meters each, with tail lengths of 0.79 to 0.89 meters and total lengths of 2.82 to 2.87 meters, respectively. The Gir lion is similar in size to the Central African lion and smaller than the large African lions. The adult male weigh around 160 to 190 kgs, while females weigh around 110 to 120 kgs. Their lifespan is about 18 to 24 years. Asiatic lions inhabit remnant forest habitats in the two hill systems of Gir and Girnar that comprise Gujarat's largest tracts of tropical and subtropical broadleaf forests, thorny forest and savanna, and provide valuable habitat for diverse flora and fauna. 5 protected areas currently exist to protect the Asiatic lions: Gir Sanctuary, Gir National Park, Pania Sanctuary, Mitiala Sanctuary, and Girnar Sanctuary. The first 3 protected areas from the Gir Conservation Area, a 1452 square kilometer large forest block that represents the core habitat of the lion population. The other two sanctuaries, Mitiala and Girnar, protect satellite areas within dispersal distance of the Gir Conservation Area. An additional sanctuary is being established in the nearby Barda Wildlife Sanctuary to serve as an alternative homes for lions. The drier eastern part is vegetated with acacia thorn savanna and receives about 26 inches annual rainfall, and rainfall in the west is higher at about 39 inches per year. The Asiatic lion is a Panthera leo population in India. Its current range is restricted to the Gir National Park and environs in the Indian state of Gujarat in Saurashtra's Gir forest. An area of 1412 square kilometers was declared as a sanctuary. This sanctuary and the surrounding areas are the only habitat supporting the Asiatic lion. In the surrounding sanctuary, only Maldaris have the right to take their livestock for grazing, but historically it inhabited much of Western Asia and the Middle East up to the northern India. In November 2019, a lioness and a subadult were seen in villages about 20 to 50 km from Chotila village in Surendranagar district. This location is about 60 to 70 km from Gir forest, making the district the fifth in Gujarat to have wild lions, apparently on a hunting mission. They had killed a bovine at a farm in the village of Rampura Chobara, causing local villagers to fear for themselves and their livestock. The Asiatic lion used to occur in Arabia, Palestine, Mesopotamia, and Baluchistan. In South Caucasia, it was known since the Hulisans and became extinct in the 10th century. In India, the Asiatic lion occurred in Sindh, Bahawalpur, Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Bihar, and eastward as far as Palau and Rewa, Madhya Pradesh in the early 19th century. It was once ranged to Bengal in the east and up to the Narmada River in the south. Because of the lion's restricted distribution in India, the advert and increasing availability of firearms led to its local extinction over large areas. Heavy hunting by British colonial officers and Indian rulers caused a steady and marked decline of lion numbers in the country. During the Indian Rebellion of 1857, a British officer shot 300 lions. The last lions of Gwalior and Rewa were shot in the 1860s. One lion was killed near Allahabad in 1866. The last lion of Mount Abu in Rajasthan was spotted in 1872. By the late 1870s, lions were extinct in Rajasthan. By 1880, no lions survived in Guna Desa and Palanpur districts, and only about a dozen lions were left in Gunagar district. By the turn of the century, the Gir forest held the only Asiatic lion population in India, which was protected by the Nawab of Gunagar in his private hunting grounds. In general, lions prefer large prey species within a weight range of 190 to 550 kg irrespective of their availability. Domestic cattle have historically been a major component of the Asiatic lion's diet in Gir forest. Inside the Gir Forest National Park, lions predominantly kill chital, sambar deer, nilgai, cattle, buffalo, and less frequently also wild boar. They most commonly kill chital, which weighs around 50 kg. They prey on sambar deer when the latter descend from the hills during summer. Outside the protected area where wild prey species do not occur, lions prey on buffalo and cattle, rarely also on camel. They generally kill most prey less than 100 meters away from the water bodies. They charge prey from close range and drag carcasses into dense cover. However, there is evidence of lion predation on mugger crocodiles on the banks of Hiran River during dry hot months. Male Asiatic lions are solitary or associate with up to 3 males forming a loose pride. Pairs of males rest, hunt and feed together and display marking behavior at the same sites. Females associate with up to 12 females forming a stronger pride together with their cubs. They share large carcasses among each other. Females and males usually associate only for a few days when mating, but rarely live and feed together. Results of a radio telemetry study indicate that annual home ranges of males vary from 144 to 230 square kilometers in dry and wet seasons. Home ranges of females are smaller, varying between 67 to 85 square kilometers. During hot and dry seasons, they favor densely vegetated and shady ravine habitats where prey species also congregate. Collisions of males defend home ranges containing one or more female prides. Together, they hold a territory for a longer time than single lines. Males in collision of 3 or 4 individuals inhabit a pronounced hierarchy with one male dominating the others. That's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and comment on the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you friends and bye for now.